Let P represent a false statement and Q represent a false statement. Given that information, we want to find the truth value of this complicated looking logical expression. So first of all, they're telling us that P is false. They're also telling us that Q is false. So I can actually go into that, and I'll write it down here again so you can see it better. We can actually go into that expression and everywhere there's a P I put in a false, and everywhere there's a Q I put in a false. So if I continue that process, I get the negation of P, but if P is false, I'll just put in a capital F. Then Q is false, and then the negation of P, and if P is false, I'll just put in an F. So I know not false is true, so I can replace both of those non-falses with true. So I get tilde, I get the negation symbol. Not false is true, or false ANDed with not false, which is true. So continuing this, false and true. Remember, this is an AND. An AND is only true if they're both true. So this statement in parentheses here is going to be false. So I end up with the negation of true or false. Again, an AND is only true if they're both true. It's not, so it's false. Now I'm dealing with an an OR. So an OR is only false if they're both false. They're not both false, so this OR expression is true. But I've got a not in front of it. I've got a negation in front of that, so I've got not true. And of course, not true is false.